If you don't already have your own website, you can actually create one very quickly and easily in GetResponse, so let's do that here. So back in our GetResponse dashboard, we'll go up to Tools and click on Website Builder. Click Create Website up on the right. And you can either use the AI engine or one of the ready-made templates, which we're going to do. And again, you can start with a blank template, but it's much easier to use one of the pre-designed templates, which we're going to do here. So we'll scroll down and see if we can find a good one. Actually, I have some pretty nice looking templates. Here's a good one. Let's use this one. Let's say we're creating a website for an event. So in the GetResponse drag and drop editor, we can easily customize our page here. We can edit the dates and the titles. So we'll call this our coaching conference. And you can also update the subtext here. We won't do that right now. And to change the background image, we'll click that. And over on the right, we'll click on Replace. And we'll go into our files and go over to My Files. I've actually uploaded an image already, so I'll select that one. And okay, as you can see, the text is now washed out, so we need to adjust the image opacity. So over on the right, it's currently set to 100%, so we'll tune that down to about 55. That looks good. Now you can see the text very clearly. And scrolling down on the page, again, you can edit all your titles, customize your text here. Same thing with the photos. You can swap those out for your own. The agenda items, you can update the bullet points. You can also edit the speaker photos. Then down at the bottom, we can click the register button and edit the settings for that. So we can direct where someone should go after they press the button. We'll direct them to a landing page. And we'll set that later. We'll leave that for now. Now at the top of the page, you can see your menu. These are your sub-pages here. One for the agenda, speakers, and registration page. To edit those, we'll click on the first icon over on the right, the hierarchy icon, I guess, to manage our pages. And you just click on whichever page you want to edit. And it'll appear in the editor. So again, we can update the dates here. And let's say we want to enter our own topic. Say, how to maximize your potential. And you can also edit the speaker name and the session description. We'll do that later. Next, we'll click the Connect Domain button up in the top right. And we'll give our website a name. And again, you get a GetResponse default domain. You probably want to use your own, though. Again, you can buy one here, or you can connect your own domain. Let's do that now. So we'll click Connect Domain, and not sure why it's asking for the website name again, but we'll enter that. And then next, this is where you would add your domain. I've actually already added one previously in GetResponse, so it's picking that one up. I'll select that one here. And now what you need to do is update your DNS records. So click on the link here, and my domain is currently at GoDaddy, so I've got the GoDaddy name servers currently. And what you need to do is add the GetResponse name servers here on the right. So I'm going to switch over to GoDaddy where my domain is currently at. And I'm on my DNS management page. We'll click on Name Servers. And you can see these are the GoDaddy name servers currently set. That's why they're listed here. We'll click on Change Name Servers in GoDaddy. I'll use my own. And here's where we're going to enter the GetResponse name servers. So copy this here. Go back to GoDaddy, paste that in, and do that for the other three. You click on the Add Name Service and get the other placeovers for the 4 name servers here. Click on Save, and it usually takes, it says it takes up to 24 hours. It usually doesn't take that long for the DNS to propagate. So let's go back to GetResponse, take a look at our website. To preview your site, we're going to click on the preview toggle at the top of the page. And we'll scroll down and take a look. It looks pretty good. Take a look at the agenda page. And click on the registration page. And here you would set your register button to redirect someone to a landing or confirmation page. Go back to the home page here. As you can see, pretty quick and easy to create your website and GetResponse, and a lot more affordable than some of the other website builders out there. I definitely like it.